Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Google Play Store country to Japan. This process allows you to access apps and content specific to that region. Remember, you can only make this change once every 12 months, and you'll need a payment method from Japan. Also, any existing Google Play balance from your current country will not carry over, so be sure to use it up first. Before you begin, there are a few important preparations. First, you'll need a valid payment method, such as a credit card or debit card, that is registered to a Japanese address. Second, make sure to spend any remaining Google Play balance you might have, as it won't transfer. Finally, for the change to be successful, you should be physically located within Japan when you perform the steps. Now, let's walk through the steps. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. From there, go to General and then Account and Device Preferences. You should see an option to switch your country. Select Japan and follow the prompts to add your Japanese payment method. This is a crucial step for verification. Keep in mind a few important details after making the switch. The country change might take up to 48 hours to fully update across all services. As mentioned, you are limited to changing your country only once every 12 months, so choose wisely. Also, be aware that your family library and certain subscriptions might be impacted by this change, so review those settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.